Hi, I'm John Blumenthal with United Yacht Sales. Today we're on the Lavish Pleasure, a 2009 64-foot Viking Sportfish convertible, an absolutely gorgeous vessel, and I'd love to take you for a tour today, so let's go check her out. Well, right now we're in the cockpit of Lavish Pleasure. I'm actually sitting on the bench seat, which is the mezzanine, okay? Now, as I get up, I want to show you some storage area here. This is a freezer under this seat. In here, we've got storage for bait. You've got 2 stainless steel trays inside there to keep your bait. It's a wonderful cockpit, a great cockpit size for anglers, for crew to run around and do what they need to do while fishing. Right here, I've got a beautiful release big tuna chair. It's got an offset on it so it can go anywhere into the corner if you need to move the angle around while you're catching a fish. Over here, we've got a live well. I'll lift the lid up and it's so easy access, not only to put your live bait in there, but also to retrieve it. There's also a cutting board at the end of the day where you can cut your table fish on. So let's close that lid. Over on the port and starboard side, we've actually got 2 cabinets that pop out for storage. Here on the starboard side, as you can see, the crew's all laid out with their chamois and mops and what have you for cleaning. Downstairs here, below decks, we've actually got fish box, starboard side and the port side, and both have actually got Eskimo dumps there. So we're always dumping ice into the fish box. And over here on the starboard corner, this is a great place to cook out. You can cook hamburgers, hot dogs, fish, chicken, anything you care for while you're fishing. I'm at the helm right now of Lavish. Everything is within reach for controls. We've got a beautiful teak pod with Palm Beach lever controls. I've got 3 beautiful 24-inch touchscreen Garmin's right here. And there's a couple of sets of Epoch teaser reels up here. 2 beautiful release chairs. Got a great view down here in the cockpit. And forward of me, you've got this seating, bench seating up here. And on the starboard side, you've got a nice bench seat where everybody can sit as we ride along. Don't forget the freezer space and also the refrigerator space up here for cold drinks. So everything is right here that I would need to go fishing and cruising. It's a great, great spot to be. Okay, let's go down into the engine room. It's really easy access, but just by removing the pillow and the cushion seat there, lift up the lid, and you just go down there. We're down here in Lavish's engine room now, and we've got C32A engines rated at 1825 horsepower. There's a couple of Cummins-owned generators, 27.5 kW and 21.5 kW respectively. The whole engine room was all gripped out, including the engines. And we've got LED lighting throughout. So as you can see, it is wonderful, clear and crisp in here. Okay, let's go and check out the salon. Here we are inside the salon of Lavish Pleasure. Now, one thing that really stands out is the satin finish throughout the whole vessel. Inside the salon here, we've got carpet throughout. We've got a beautiful L-shaped leather couch with a lot of storage underneath. So let me just show you that. Over here, we've got a beautiful dinette with leather seating. It's got a nice teak tabletop. And on this side, we've got a beautiful granite tops, lunch bar and breakfast bar on my left side. And on my right side, I've got 4-plate burner, stainless steel sink, and all the refrigeration in these 6 Sub-Zero drawers. Let's go downstairs now, and I can go and show you the 4 staterooms. So as I mentioned before, Lavish is a 4-stateroom, 3-head vessel. We're in the master stateroom right now, and it has a ensuite bathroom next door with a shower and a head. Forward of the master is a VIP stateroom with 60/40 berths. On the starboard side, we have over and under and also a side-by-side berth. So as you can see, Lavish has got a wonderful layout downstairs to do cruising or sport fishing with a lot of folks on board. Well, thanks for being with us today on the short tour of Lavish Pleasure. This beautiful 2009 64 Viking has got all the attributes one needs to do their boating. If you've got any other questions, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm John Blumenthal with United Yachts. So have a great day and cheers for now.